my favorite recipes that I've been dying to make it since it's been apple season. It's honey applesauce. Yum! And because my husband gets fruit a lot at work, and I usually give him red delicious apples, which is my most unfavorite, that's why we're gonna use these up, because I have 20 apples here to use up. And that's a good way to get red delicious, because you don't need them in this. And I love it with my grilled pork chops that I make. So our ingredients are, you have your apples, cinnamon, nutmeg, of course Cox's honey, a pinch of salt is gonna go in there, and a lemon, all ready to go. Some tools you need to have on hand is your apple peeler core, because we're gonna do all the apples. We're gonna peel them, core them, and then cut them up. And the lemon, this is squeeze the lemon. And at the very end, we're gonna mash it after it's been pressure cooked. So Instant Pot's the best. You can use the crock pot, and you can use the stovetop, but this is the easiest. So let's get slicing and peeling, right boys? Let's go. All right, so we're back. Jackson, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hayden, can you say hi? Say hi. Hi. So we did all the apples. There you go. We got between, they said 12 and 18. I think we got actually 13 or 14. And here's the peelings. They said in South America, if you throw these over your arm, and whatever letter it lands in, that's what letter you're gonna marry. Mine's always an S. Okay, we're not gonna eat them anymore because we're gonna add something. We're gonna first add water. It says 1/4 a cup to 1 cup. I'm just gonna put a 1/4 because I like mine chunkier. Oh, I should have had you pour that in there. And then honey, you can drizzle over. This is 1/8 a cup. Here, Jackson, you want to get honey? So pour the honey over. Oh, don't touch it, it's gonna be sticky now. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay, here, put the nutmeg in. 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg. Here, put the cinnamon in. Hayden, no, he's just gonna watch it. And just set those down there to the side. Okay, so we got the honey in there. It's gonna be sticky. And then the lemon, you don't wanna get in there. Show you what it looks like in just a second. So the lemon. We juice 1 lemon. Oh, thank you for your help. Yeah. Whoa, did you it squirted us. And then it said a pinch of salt. I'm going to use it Himalayan salt. So just a pinch. Okay, that's what it looks like. And we're going to put it in the crock pot. Instant Pot. And we have it on. We're going to pressure cook. And we're going to toggle it up to 5 minutes. So here we go.
Let's make this off.
So we put it at 5, and we seal it. I'm doing this backwards. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know what the problem is. Okay, so we got it in the Instant Pot here, and we're going to put the lid on and seal it. Do that first, and make sure this is lined up right here because it's going to naturally release. So we toggle it up. We start the pressure cook for 5 minutes. So see, there's 5 minutes. We just leave it. When it goes off, we time it for 15 minutes, and then we'll let it naturally release. So we'll be back. We're back, and it's got 15 minutes, so we're going to open it up. It naturally released, so we don't ever release it. We can do this a little bit after 15 minutes.
Ew-wee!
So we stir it. Here. You can see, can you smell that? Smell it. Can you smell it? It's gone all the way down. And see, only the 40 was. Oh, we lost Hayden there. Look at these cute little bits. Show you a picture of it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna mash it. See? We're gonna mash it. So you open it, you stir it, and then you mash it. Stir it, mash it. And then we're gonna store it. That's all right. That's all right. We're gonna store it in here. You can store it in your refrigerator for up to 10 days or 6 months in the freezer. And I love using the leftover cups. Yeah, it's making the apple, isn't it? And it's a 2 pounds, so it's anywhere from 12 to 18 apples. You can eat it, yes. But you're gonna have some applesauce here shortly. Did you find the bees? Bees are important in apple orchards. Did you know that? What do? They help to do what? Here's the word. Pollinate. You need that. Did you find the bee on me? Do I have any bees on me? I do. Bee. Did you see this one right here? I thought this was really cool. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this. And I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. I put the recipe on Pinterest and also below in the details there. And we're gonna smell that. It smells really good, huh? So thank you for joining us on this YouTube for applesauce. Bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Hey, you wanna say bye? Say bye bye. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. You like that? Do you like that? Yum. Want a bigger piece? Look at this. Yum. Is that yummy? Yes. Okay.
Yum.
Try it. You like that?
Yes.
Keep eating now.